Hey guys, Shay here. If you're looking for a solution to change the outside of your home, update it, you definitely want to consider installing some new lights. Now, I went ahead and I'm unboxing this for you guys to see that it's coming to you 100% protected, and I was very happy for that because this is aluminum with glass window panes all around the actual product itself. Now you do get a bag that has all of what you will need to actually connect it on the outside, which is always great, so you don't have to worry about buying anything separately. Out of the box, I love the way they look. Everything was intact, and I was just super excited to get these installed. Now you do have the opening at the bottom to actually put in your light bulb. You can put in an Edison light bulb, a dimmable light bulb, or just a regular energy saving light bulb. So if you're not comfortable with actually installing this, please get someone, a professional, to do this for you. But for myself, I was comfortable with doing that. First things first is you will want to connect this to your actual home. This is where you will connect everything, your home, and also that light. Now I went ahead and I attached all of the screws, and you can see that the screws are protruding outwards. This is how you're going to connect that light to your home. You need to make sure that they are spaced out properly based upon how your outlet for the outdoor is positioned. And then you have all of the wires here is strictly connect the colors: black, black, white, white, and the ground wire. Again, they do give you in the bag the actual connectors to connect everything together. So I'm getting my screwdriver, unscrewing that nut for the ground wire itself, connecting the actual one from the house, and then the one with the actual light itself. This is totally necessary. So again, if you're not comfortable with doing this, get a professional to do this for you. So then I went ahead and connected everything together, and this is how it looks once it is connected. Now I realized the screws were a little bit too long, so I had to get my Dremel and cut those down. But you may not need that, but for me personally, I needed to do that. And then I went ahead and took those bolt stuffs on the front of it to connect everything together. And this is how it looks in the morning time. Literally, once I put everything together, and I was just so happy. It looked so much better than my old light. Here it is at nighttime. I wanted to catch it so you can see how gorgeous it looks. I love the actual aluminum design that's on front of the actual glass panes. I mean, it is just